And the latest comment from Mamata Banerjee in Bengal has also triggered another row. She says if Bengal burns, other states will also burn. Assam, Bihar will also burn, says Mamata Banerjee after 2 days of protests in Kolkata. Union Minister Sukanta has written to the Home Minister as well in this regard. With the tensions continuing on the streets of Kolkata, Mamata Banerjee says if Bengal burns, other states will burn.
কেউ কেউ মনে করছেন এটা বাংলাদেশ, আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি, ওরা আমাদের মতো কথা বলে, ওদের সংস্কৃতি আমাদের সংস্কৃতি এক। কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন বাংলাদেশ একটা আলাদা রাষ্ট্র, ভারতবর্ষ একটা আলাদা রাষ্ট্র। মোদি বাবু আপনার পার্টিকে দিয়ে আগুন লাগাচ্ছেন, মনে রাখবেন বাংলায় যদি আগুন লাগান আসামও থেমে থাকবে না, নর্থ ইস্টও থেমে থাকবে না, উত্তরপ্রদেশও থেমে থাকবে না, বিহারও থেমে থাকবে না, ঝাড়খণ্ডও থেমে থাকবে না, উড়িষ্যাও থেমে থাকবে না, আর দিল্লিও থেমে থাকবে না। আপনার চেয়ারটা আমরা টলমলো করে দেব।
Suryagni is live with us for more from Kolkata. Suryagni, a warning from Mamata Banerjee saying other states will burn if Bengal burns. But is Bengal burning? What is the current status of the, Bharat Bandh call and the protests on the streets of Kolkata?
Well, it's very important to let our viewers know that amidst all of this and amidst the speech that we aired of Mamata Banerjee, West Bengal Chief Minister, Sukanta Majumdar, BJP State President and Union Minister, he has written to Amit Shah. He has quoted what Mamata Banerjee has said, and she, in the letter that we have accessed, he has mentioned that it is not, it's very unruly of an elected representative, a chief minister, to speak like this and incite violence. The BJP is alleging that Mamata Banerjee's statements, can occur violence, in various states. Now, coming back to your question, it was a 12-hour Bandh. The Bandh, as per their timing, it's almost on the verge of ending, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. What is important to observe is there was, sporadic violences at certain places throughout the length and breadth of the state. In Kolkata, we had seen, multiple spots, northern side of the city and southern side as well. And we saw Sukanta Majumdar, state president, taking lead and, protesting on the streets. We also saw how various BJP leaders, they were requesting people to, not, observe the Bandh and not, support the Trinamool-led government over here. Back to you.
Okay, Suryagni, thank you very much for getting us the latest on that. Hopefully, no violence today.